Attention. Attention. This is an emergency situation. This alert contains important instructions and information. This message is being broadcast at the request of civil authorities in your area. Please listen carefully. One or more dangerous entities have been reported in your area. These entities are described as a glowing pair of eyes in a dark window. These entities only appear after sunset and before sunrise and will not appear if the environment outside the window is bright. It is unknown if these entities possess some sort of body, or if they are just eyes, but the entities do have working arms and hands. They can appear in any window on any type of structure, as long as the window is made out of glass. Take all listed precautions to ensure your safety during this emergency event. Before sunset, close and lock all windows and doors. Close all blinds, shades, or shutters to reduce the chance of encountering these entities. At all costs, do not go within 5 feet of a window until sunrise. If possible, stay in a room with no windows. It is unknown if these entities can affect people who are outdoors, away from any windows. For your safety, stay inside. If you look into the eyes in the window, you are lost cause and death will come soon. If you go within 5 feet of the entity, it will snatch you using its long arms and pull you out of the window, where you will be killed. If the entity has killed a person, it will go away. Because of this, it is assumed that these entities are hunting for prey and will leave when they have been fed. Please stay vigilant and do not panic during this emergency situation. This alert will repeat every 15 minutes. All regular programming has been suspended until the conclusion of this emergency event.